And now let's go inside. So here the top specification, we can find 6.8 inches 1.5K crystal res AMOLED display. The chipset is MediaTek Dimensity 7400 Ultra. There's the new 200 megapixel ultimate clarity camera, IP66 and IP68 dust and water resistance, Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. So we shouldn't actually get that much scratches on display. Now let's get this first impression, how it looks. Okay, it looks really nice, really premium, I would even say. But the back is made out of the plastic. It may look like it's a glass, but this is the plastic back. And we can find the main 200 megapixel camera. This is the telephoto lens, and here flashlight. As you can see, the frame is flat. It's not curved like on the Redmi Note 15. So in this frame, here we can find the volume buttons, power button. At the top we can find the IR blaster, so we can use this phone as a remote controller, 2 microphones, and there is the speaker. When you take a look at the bottom of this device, we can also find the speaker, which means that we can find the stereo speakers. There's the USB-C port, microphone, and check how the SIM slot looks. So there's the dual SIM slot. We don't have memory card slot. When we take a look on the display, we can find already installed screen protection, the default one, and there is also the flat screen. It's completely flat, not like with the Redmi Note 15 when we can find curves on the edges. And by the way, I'm gonna make a comparison, the visual comparison of the design for both devices, so if you are looking for this video, you can find it on my channel. It comes with the HyperRes and the screen looks really nice. Now let's check for all accessories. For sure there's the SIM ejection tool, and the package looks the same like with the Redmi Note 15. Over here we can find the USB-C into USB-A cable, nothing interesting, just a quick guide and the warranty card. And there's also this silicone case. It looks just the same like with the Redmi Note 15. We can easily put it on. There's the fingerprint sensor built into the display in this position. And as you can see, this silicone case got this bumper over here for the cameras to protect them. And it looks the same for the screen. As you can see, the bumper goes all around the screen. It's a little bit higher on the corners. At the top, the fully here, and the same at the bottom. The case is well made. There's no any fingerprint marks, which is really good. It doesn't slip from the hand. There's a good grip. The buttons works really good. We don't have here the headphone jack, as you can see. So now I'm going to test all of these features. I'm gonna record another video just to show you what is the best of this smartphone. And there will be also the camera test between the Redmi Note 15 and Note 15 Pro 5G, and another video with visual comparison between both devices.